YouTube. We got something in the mail. I already opened it. I already know what it is, but you guys don't. All right, listen. I got this new enhancement gun. This new enhancement setup. All right. This right here is like the stand that it comes on. All right. We got this. I'm gonna open this up a little bit. I'm gonna open this up. This right here, dang near the whole compressor. I haven't tried it. I really want to try it and see how it works, see how powerful it is. Cause you know I got this, hold on. You know I got this big old compressor right here, right? We all see this big old compressor that's all in the station, taking up all the room. So I'm curious to see if this new gun, cause I really wanted to try it because of this new gun. Let me see if this is the one. Oh yeah, this is the one. This is really what I wanted, right? Look at how the gun looks. That's how the gun looks, man. This gun is dope. This gun is dope. It has the appearance to look and be something. This could be something right here. This looks dope, man. It looks dope. All right. I ended up finding this out. A company reached out to me. I was like, man, let me check this out. Let me check this out, man. So I do got a link for where y'all could go pick it up, use my code and get a discount or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Let me open this one up. Let me see what this is looking like on the inside. I'm not gonna do a review or nothing like that, but I am gonna test it out. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Look right here. Boom, it got a compressor and a gun in it. You know what I'm saying? I won't be using this gun, but it's just good to have. It's good to have off the strength if something ever happened to that other gun. So the compressor right here. Oh snap, this lightweight, you know what I'm saying? Lightweight, ain't too big. I mean, it is kind of big, you know what I'm saying? Pause. Pause, big pause. You know what I mean? But it don't weigh as much as this do. Let's just be real. It ain't weighing this much. This right here, this a tank. We ain't even gonna get into that. But this right here is lightweight. I think, let's just test it out. Why not? All right, so I got everything set up. This just plugs right in directly. It has a cord, plugs right in. You know what I mean? Not too deep. It goes up to 27 PSI. You know what I'm saying? The pressure. I'm gonna add some water in here just to see, because I'm not gonna add no enhancements. Might as well just top back on and see how it sprays. Stop playing with them. Hold on, let me see what this do. All right, this controls the lever. This controls the lever. All right, nah, it controls how much the output is too. Okay. This dang near just as strong enough too. Woo, hey, yo, this is dope. This is dope for traveling. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is plug it in, boom, boom, you ready to go. The gun look hard. The gun look hard. Look at the gun. Come on now, you can't tell me that don't look hard. You can't tell me that don't look premium. You can't tell me that don't look premium, man. Come on now. Easy hookup, everything hooks in, it looks nice. Listen, if you looking for a gun, this might be the one. Y'all know guns break every day, B. Y'all know y'all in need of a gun. Let's just be real. Hit the link in the description below. Use my promo code 360GZ at checkout, man. Just use it, man. Links in the description. It'll be in below. Yeah, this gun hard. YouTube. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pin the hair up with my duck clips, put them in. That way it gets all the hair out of the way. I'm gonna brush down the hair that's left. That way you start off neat, all right? You wanna make sure everything is combed and laid down first before you start cutting. So next, I'm gonna bring everything down to a 1.5. I got my 1 guard on with the lever fully open, and I'm going with the grain, knocking off all the bulk that's on the edges. So I'm gonna start on the taper, and the first guideline I'm gonna set in is the bald line, all right? I'm gonna use my Babyliss trimmers to set my bald line in, and I'm gonna set it in a rainbow-like shape. That way, it creates shape throughout the whole blend, all right? You'll get a different look instead of it just being, you know, super straight. So next guideline I'm gonna set in, I'm gonna go back with my masters with the lever open, and I'm going up about a full inch, all right? I'm using my corners the entire time, making sure I go around that first guideline that I set. Next guideline is the same thing. I got my 1 guard on with the lever open, and I'm going around that second guideline, just making sure that I go over it multiple times, brush down as I go, and use my corners because my corners is gonna, you know, make that shape consistent. So I'm gonna work on blending back down. I'm not gonna focus on the bulk that's on top because, you know, sometimes you need that bulk. So always refrain from, you know, just taking out the bulk, you know, just instantly. So right now I got my 0 guard with the lever fully closed, and in the flick out motion, I'm flicking out that middle line using only my corners. Next step is with the lever fully closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Notice how I'm using my corners. Regardless of what side I'm on, I'm still using my corners. So make sure you just shift from using your corners and open your lever as you go up. So now that I have everything blended out, it's easier for me to see the amount of bulk that I need to take off. So I went ahead and grabbed my 2 guard with the lever open, and I'm just knocking off the bulk at the top. So now that you have the bulk cleared, you blended everything out, the last thing you need to do is detail your work, all right? Detailing is extremely important. What I like to do is I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on, all right? Also, if you don't have access to a mirror, look away from the blend for a couple of seconds, come back to the blend. It'll rejuvenate your eyes and give you something better to look at, you know what I'm saying, than looking at the same thing the entire time. So make sure you turn your blade, use your corners, get in those areas where you see bulk, use those clippers basically as thinning shears. Now, as far as the back is concerned, I use the same exact step. What you guys want to do is memorize your steps. That way, it'll make the cutting process a lot faster, all right? You're not scrambling around trying to figure out which step to use, you know what I mean? You already have it memorized in your mind. And I use the same steps that I do from the front to the back, all right? So make sure to cut down time, you memorize these steps. So So working on the front line, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prep my front line by putting some shaving cream, put a hot towel, wipe everything off, and then I'm gonna line my client up. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like, got it, got it, got it, got it, yeah! Got it! YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, Hustle Dreams Production, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chill.